Hey there everyone, if you have a Sony Bravia Smart TV and experiencing that your YouTube feature is not working, though you have a stable internet connection, like your YouTube feature is not opening, or it's opening but it's keep loading, or any other problem related with the YouTube, then here in today's video I'll go ahead and show you how you can fix this one. So let's get started with the video. Well, so to do that, first thing first, I'm just going to take my remote. This problem mostly happens when you are using your TV for a long time, but you use your remote in order to turn on and off your smart TV, then it might cause the issue. The first and easy way to solve your problem is you just go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. And after that, wait around 1 minute and then plug in your TV once again to the wall outlet and then check your issue. Mostly this easy step can solve your problem, but if any case if you see that you're still having the same problem, then the last and final things that you can do in order to fix your issue is do a factory reset on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. It's very easy to do, but make sure this process will delete all the data that you have included on your TV so far. So now to do a factory reset, just go ahead and find out the settings from your home page, and here is my settings. I'm just gonna go ahead and press OK. So go down to the system settings. Under the system settings, you need to go down from here, and once you get the general setup, you need to press OK. Under the general setup, we need to go down to the bottom and you'll get the factory settings. So from here we need to press OK again, and it's asking, do you want to restore factory settings? I'm just gonna highlight the yes option and then press OK from the remote. And from here, just go ahead and highlight the yes option once again and then press OK from the remote again. And your TV is going to take a restart, so you need to wait for a while until this process is being completed. So once you're done with this process, you just go ahead and set up your TV once again. Also connect your smart TV to the Wi-Fi as well. So once you're done, you just go ahead and check your issue. Hopefully this will resolve your problem. So guys, this is how you can fix your YouTube feature is not working on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.